Welcome to virtual teaching, and today we are going to learn exercise 4D. So before we will start our work, I'll make you clear that first you will write the date here, exercise here and classwork this side. Now in this unit, in this exercise, we are going to learn how we are going to check our answer by dividing. So let's start with our question. So question number 1 is divide, check your answer. So you can see the first question which I have done. The first question is 864 divided by 27. So as you are already doing this division, so it's very clear to you that first you will make a box. In that you will write, inside the box you will write 864. Outside you will write the divisor. Then you will check that 86, this 86, this is two digit divisor, so we will check two digit dividend. So two digit dividend is bigger, and we will check that how many times it will go. So 27 multiplied by 3 is equal to 81. So we will write just below 86, we will write 81. So 6 minus 1 is 5 and 8 minus 8 is 0. As you know that 5 is smaller than the divisor, so we will bring down 4 here. So now the two digit number is 54, and again we will check that 54 it will go how many times in 27 tables. So 27 2s are, so 27 2s are 54, and then 4 minus 4 is 0 and 5 minus 5 is 0. So your question will be 32 and the remainder will be 0, which you have written here. Now the interesting part and the part where we are going to check our question, that the question and remainder is correct after multiplying these two things. So first we will see that what is the formula for check. So this is shortcut of dividend. I have written D is equal to Q for quotient, and small d I have written for divisor, so that you don't get confused that both the D's denotes means what. The bigger one denotes dividend and the smaller one denotes divisor. So dividend is equal to quotient multiplied by divisor plus remainder. So here we don't have remainder. Then also if you want you can do in this way. So our quotient is 32, divisor is 27. So 32 multiplied by 27 and our remainder is 0. So I have written here plus 0. Now you will multiply 32 multiplied by 27, and as you all are doing, so you know how to do, you know the process how to multiply it. So 7 2s are 14, so 4 will be here, 1 will be on the top of 3, then 7 3s are 21 plus 1 is equal to 21. Now come to the tens place digit. So 2 2s are 4, that I will write on the tens place of the digit, and 2 3s are 6, so 6. Now we can plus it, so it's 4 6 and 2. And then when you will multiply by, when you will plus 864 plus 0, your answer will be same. As you know the properties of multiplication, properties of addition, in that 864 plus 0 is equal to the number itself. So it means that our answer is 864 and the dividend is also 864. It means our calculation is correct, and hence we will write that hence it is checked. Now similarly come to question number 2. Again I have explained you one more question so that it will be clear to you. So our question is 525 divided by 32. So same way you will make a box, you will write the dividend inside, divisor outside. Now you will check that how many times it will go. So you know the table of 32. When we will multiply by 2, it becomes 64, which is bigger than 52. So it will go once time. So 32 ones are 32. So answer, when we will subtract, 2 minus 2 is 0 and 5 minus 3 is 2. So 20 is less than 32. So we will bring down 5 here. So now the digit will be 205. And now you will check that how many times it will go. To 32 multiplied by 6 is 192. So after this you will subtract. The 5 minus 2 is 3 and 10 minus 9 is 1 and 1 minus 1 is 0. So your remainder is 13, quotient is 16 and divisor is 32, which I have written here. Now the checking part, to check again you will write bigger D for the dividend, Q for quotient, small d for divisor and R for remainder. So what is your question? Question is 16. Divisor is 32. So 16 multiplied by 32 plus 13. In this way you will write the numbers in this way, and then you will multiply 16 multiplied by 32. So your answer will come this, that 2 6 are 12, 2 2s are 1 3, 3 6 are 18, and 3 1s are 3 1 4. When you will add, your answer will be 512, and your remainder is 13. So 512 plus 13 is equal to 525, and our answer is 525. It means ki 525 is correct because the dividend is 525, and after doing all the calculation, after checking, we have find out that our calculation and everything is correct, and this is same. So in this way we will check the answer. Now come to the next question. So you will see I have written only question is 683 divided by 51. So I have, you can see the page is blank. Here you will do your part, you will solve, you will make the box, do the division calculation, write question and remainder. Then to check, you will write d, bigger D is equal to q multiplied by d plus r. Then you will put in the same way how I have shown you, multiply it, add it, and then you will find the answer. So in this way you have to complete this question. Now in question number 2, you will see that watch out for zeros. It means here you will see that your remainder will be 0, or you have to check that you have to check that the in this question you have a 0 or not. It some in some questions maybe a remainder is also there, so no worries, only you have to check that this question, in this question you have a zeros or not. So let's start with our work. So the first question is 6380 divided by 55. So you will first make a box in this way. You will write dividend inside, that is 6380 in the inside of the box, and 55 outside of the box. So now you will check that the dividend inside the box, you will check the just extremely left to the digit, that is 63 is smaller or bigger than divisor. So it is smaller than divisor. Then how many times it will go? So you will see 55 will go one time. So I have written 55 here. After subtracting, you will get 8, and 8 is smaller than 55. So we will bring down 8. We will bring down 8 there. Now the digit is 88. Again 88. Again what we will do? Again it will go one time. So 55, when you will subtract 8 minus 3 is 3, 8 minus 3 is 3. So your number will be 33. It is less than divisor. So you will bring down 0 here. So now the digit is 330. How many times it will go? You will just check 55 multiplied by 6, and the answer is 330. After subtracting, you will find that this question has zeros in the remainders. So the question is 116 and remainder is 0. So in this question we have remainder as 0. Now come to the next question. So the next question is 9755 divided by 46. Again same way you will make a box. Dividend you will write inside, divisor outside. You will check the process. Here you will see that this question has remainder. So it means in first question we don't have remainders, we have found the 0 there, but the next question we have remainder. So your question will be 212 and remainder will be 3. Now students, you can see that 2 questions are written and nothing I have solved here. So it means ki this is your part, you are going to solve. So you can see these 2 questions, you have understood the statement, so you have to solve by your own. So follow the instruction and solve the question yourself. Bye.